My name is Jacques. My surname is Reineke. Been with the company for the last 15 years. I'm the National Sales Manager for Kent Masters South Africa. We have a lot of other branches around the world, but South Africa we only have the one branch. What stood out for me for 2025 was we received a lot more business from neighboring countries, and it's nice to see our branch running the whole of Africa. A couple of the highlights for the year was our trade shows. So we do a Vet Koei in Biltong in Kuruman, and we're the main sponsor over there. It's always a nice weekend to get away and see other farmers. Every year we do the Red Meat Association. So that happens usually in June or July.
I'm Theo Els. I'm a sales technician in Kent Masters South Africa. I've been working here for 11 years, enjoying every moment of it. And I just want to wish you all the very best of holidays. Be safe and have fun, and we meet up next year and do it all over again.
We've had a fantastic year this year, and we are grateful for all the support from the clients. We hope to have a fantastic 2026.
My naam is Jannie Delpoort, ek is die takbestuurder van Kent Masters Suid-Afrika. Ons wil vir almal sê baie dankie vir julle ondersteuning gedurende 2025 en ons hoop ons kan nog steeds die besigheidsverhouding aanpak in 2026. Geseënde Kersfees.